This morning.
Good Thursday morning to you. It is 5 o'clock. We're glad you're waking up with News 5 this morning. I'm Jessica Taloni.
I'm Bill Riles. Thanks for watching, everyone. First on 5 this morning, a weather alert day here on this Thursday as we check in with meteorologist John Nodar with details of what you can expect mostly this morning, I'm hearing, John.
That's right. We got a lot going on during the morning through about lunchtime, and then it's going to ease off. But let's go ahead and walk you through what's in store. We start off with the weather alert day. Severe thunderstorms are likely, and severe thunderstorms are those storms that contain damaging winds or large hail or isolated tornadoes, and all of that is a possibility today, although damaging winds would be the primary threat. We're also seeing heavy rain and lots of lightning, and you can see that across the board here there is plenty going on throughout the southeastern United States. Let's get in closer to our part of the world, and you're going to find that we've got heavy weather just outside of the News 5 area. We did have a severe thunderstorm earlier in Clark County. That has since gone away, but there are many more strong thunderstorms on the way, and you can see them here just kind of lining up. Let me start you off out ahead of that main line. Just some globs of rain, fairly heavy rain in Coffeyville and Chatham right now. But the really strong thunderstorms, I mean, obviously you can see with the bright reds and the lightning on top back here to the west. Mostly Wayne County mist right now, but moving into the northern stretches of Greene County over the next few minutes. So that's where it begins, and then it works its way all the way across our neighborhood and exits through the Florida Panhandle around lunchtime with the heavy weather. 90% chance of needing a Green and Phillips umbrella today. Flash flood watch in effect. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain could fall. We had about 1.75 inches in Mobile yesterday. Pensacola not nearly as much at less than 1/4 inch, but nonetheless 1 to 3 inches of rain, and likely that would fall in a very short time. Tornado watch is also in effect until noon today. These counties to the west will drop off of that well before noon, but we are under a tornado watch until noon today, meaning tornadoes and severe thunderstorms are possible. If they are occurring or imminent, we would issue a warning, but a watch means it's possible. Wind gusts over 30 miles per hour also possible, so a wind advisory in effect from Mobile eastward through the Florida Panhandle. And this means that if you are especially in a high-profile vehicle like a bus, a truck, or a minivan even, you better have both hands on the wheel. No matter who you are, it's a good idea to have both hands on the wheel when it's going to be as windy as this. So the severe weather risk, there is a small possibility of tornadoes. Damaging winds is the primary threat here, and lower threat of hail. I may actually bump that hail threat up just a scooch today. Flooding also is a possibility because of a lot of rain in a little time. Now, it may end up being nuisance flooding or street flooding, but there is the possibility of flash flooding, so we got to share that with you. Weather alert day today, a school day forecast that 60 is just kind of a middle point. We actually start off warmer, end up cooler. The temperature will be falling, especially after that main line of thunderstorms passes. It's being pushed along by a cold front, and you'll see it here. Forecast model through 6 a.m. Just lots of rain and embedded thunderstorms in there, and some of those thunderstorms are going to be pretty strong. Here is the 10 o'clock model, and you see that this is starting to move through our neighborhood, and then it's out of here by about 2 p.m. with some lingering showers behind. Here's the extended outlook. Once we get through today, tonight we'll see clearing skies, and look at the temperatures overnight tonight, 35 degrees, and we don't get out of the 50s even with sunshine tomorrow, but it will be a much brighter and better day on Friday. The weekend is looking good with more seasonable temperatures in the 60s.
News 5 traffic is